Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTS 3 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First we need to open the app application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. Now let me close it and open it again, like this. And once you open the application you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon. Select your AMAZFIT GTS 3 from the list of devices. On this page, scroll down, tap on the Unpair button, then tap on Unpair, and tap on Unpair again. It should say Unpaired successfully. Your watch should reset itself to the factory default settings, and once you tap on Got it, the watch will disappear from the list of devices. Now you can close the app on your iPhone, open the settings, tap on Bluetooth, and here you should see the list of my devices, and on it you should see the AMAZFIT GTS 3. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget this device, and tap on Forget the device to confirm. And the GTS 3 should disappear from the list of my devices. Once it does, you can close the settings, and at this point the watch is completely unpaired from your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.